Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make sambar. So let's get started.
I've got here 3/4 cups of cooked Toor dal, which is also known as pigeon peas. Rinse your Toor dal well, soak it in 3 cups of water for 30 minutes and cook it for 20 minutes or until tender. Mash it using a masher and put it aside. 2 eggplants chopped and I've soaked them in some salted water. 2 medium potatoes chopped and soaked in some plain water. 2 medium tomatoes chopped. 1 cup of green beans, you can use fresh or frozen. 3 medium carrots chopped. 5 drumsticks cut into 4 cm pieces. 2 medium onions cut into chunks. 1 tablespoon of tamarind soaked in 1/3 cup hot water. 1 teaspoon turmeric. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons of oil. 2 tablespoons of sambar masala. You can use homemade or store-bought ones. And for my tempering, 1 small onion thinly sliced. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Half a teaspoon of Asafoetida Or Hing. 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil. And 2 sprigs of roughly chopped curry leaves. To make sambar, put a large pot on medium heat. Add oil and heat it. When the oil gets hot, add onions. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are translucent. While waiting for the onions to cook, drain the water from the potatoes and eggplants and put them aside. After 3 minutes, add all the vegetables. Give it a mix. Put a lid on and cook it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add sambar masala, turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt, and enough hot water to cover the vegetables for the sambar to have a slightly thicker consistency. If you want your sambar to be slightly runny, add extra hot water until it comes 1 cm above the vegetables. Give it a mix. Put the lid on. Increase the heat to high and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, give it a mix. Put the lid on, leaving a small gap. Lower the heat to medium and cook it for 15 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. While waiting for the curry to cook, take the tamarind and water, squeeze it really well using your fingers to make it mushy. Strain it using a strainer and put it aside. After 15 minutes, check to see if the vegetables are cooked. Add tamarind pulp, give it a mix and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add dal, mix it well, taste your salt. Cook it for 5 minutes with the lid on. After 5 minutes, give it a mix, taste your salt again, put a lid on and turn the heat off. Now for the tempering, take a small fry pan, put it on medium heat, add ghee or oil and heat it. Add mustard seeds, onions and Asafoetida Or Hing. Give it a mix and cook it until the onions get a light brown color. Add curry leaves, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, turn the heat off and add it to the sambar and give it a good mix. Garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. My sambar is ready and you can serve it with idli, dosa, rice or roti. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel.